Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel located in the eastern cordillera of southern Peru on a 2,430 meters mountain ridge. It is located in the Machu Picchu district within Urubamba province, above the Sacred Valley, which is 18 kilometers northwest of Cusco. The Urubamba River flows past it, cutting through the cordillera and creating a canyon with a tropical mountain climb. The site is roughly divided into an Urubamba sector and an agriculture sector, into an upper town and a lower town. The temples are in the upper town, the warehouse is the lower.
Okay, most archaeologists believe that Machu Picchu was constructed as an estate for the Inca Emperor Pachuti, often mistakenly referred to as the lost city of the Incas. It is the most familiar icon of Inca civilization. The Incas built in the estate around 1450, but abandoned it after a century later at the time of the Spanish conquest. According to the IMS radiocarbon dating, it was occupied from the century 1040-20 to 1532. Machu Picchu was built in the classical Inca style, with polished dry stone walls. Its three primary structures are the Intihuatana, the Temple of the Sun, and the Room of Three Windows. Most of the outlying buildings have been reconstructed in order to give visitors a better idea how they originally appeared. By 1976, 13% of Machu Picchu has been restored, and the restoration will be continuous.
Machu Picchu was declared a Peruvian Historic Sanctuary in 1981 and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. In 2007, Machu Picchu was voted one of the new 7 wonders of the world in a worldwide internet poll.
The architecture is adapted to the mountains. Approximately 200 buildings are arranged on wide parallel terrace around an east-west central square. The various compounds called canches are long and narrow in order to exploit the terrain. Sophisticated channeling system provide irrigation for the fields. Stone stairways set in the walls allowed access to the different levels across the site. The eastern section of the city was probably residential. The western, separated by the square, was the religious and ceremonial purpose. This section contains the Torreon, the massive tower which may have been used as an observatory. Located in the first zone are the primary archaeological treasure. In the Intihuatana, the Temple of the Sun, and the Room of the Three Windows.
The popular district or residential district is the place where the lower class people live. It includes storage buildings and simple houses.
The royalty area, a sector for the nobility, is a group of houses located in rows over a slope. The residence of the Amautas or wise people was characterized by its reddish walls, and the zone of Nastas or princesses had trapezoid-shaped rooms. The monumental mausoleum is a carved statue with a vaulted interior and carved drawings. It was used for rites or sacrifices. The guardhouse is a three-sided building, the one of its long sides opening onto the terrain of the ceremonial rock. The three-sided style of Inca architecture is known as the Huayraña style.